Hi guys, it's Van. I'm a men's hairstylist right here in Newport Beach, California. I'm here to help you build and strengthen your short hair cutting skills and build a large clientele. So let's get into it. Today, I'm going to show you 5 of my top tips on how to make medium fine hair look fuller and livelier. My first tip is to observe the hair. Every haircut requires a consultation. During the consultation, you want to look at the hair really well, feel it with your fingers, and look and see if the density is low, medium, or high, and what his hair type is. 2, choose scissors over clippers. And the reason for this is when you are choosing to cut with scissors, your cutting process slows down a bit, which allows you to observe the haircut as is unfolding. So then if there is a mistake, you would catch it right there and then and compensate for what it is needed. Scissors cutting gives you a lot more control over the haircut, and fine hair requires a lot of control and a lot of attention. Third, angled cutting. So angled cutting allows the hair to have a little more of a natural texture. You want to slant your scissors at a slight 45-degree angle and cut in small bits for more movement. Number 4, you want to limit your texturizing techniques. I know texturizing is so much fun. I love it. But on medium fine hair, you don't want to over texturize because it will do the exact opposite. Instead of building the shape, it could make the shape collapse. Just like, be really careful to not over texturize, okay? My 5th tip is to choose the right styling tool. That means your brush, your blow dryer, choose the right styling tool so that you can take your haircut to the next level. I hope that you find these tips useful, and if you do, please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear it because that will help me make my next video. Let's continue to work together so we can build better haircuts and happier clients. All right? I look forward to seeing you next week. Check back. See you then.